guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, lifestyle kind of videos, skincare, makeup, hair hauls, fashion reviews, a little bit of everything. If it is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. I like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Thank you, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today we are doing another color eye contact haul, try on. So many beautiful contact lenses we're going to be trying today. We have 6 pair of them and they are from the company called Anmabeauty. I think that's how it's said, but I'm gonna put it right here for you guys when I be editing this video. And I'm also gonna put here the name of each one of the lens when I be editing, and in the description of this video is going to be the link for Anmabeauty if you guys decide to give them a try, and the link for all the contact lens. And they do have a discount code for you guys. It's called Fashion. I don't know if it's for 15%. I think it's for 15%. So but it's going to be anyway in the description of this video if you guys decided to check them out. Alright, so before we talking too much, let's get into this video. I just like to say that these contacts, they are super durable. They actually are yearly disposable, so you just have to clean them every time you take it out and store them safely, and they can last you up to 1 year, which is fabulous, right? Who doesn't like to save money? And they do also offer a prescription lens if you guys need that, if you use prescription. So they have great affordable prices. So but let me start to show you guys all this beauty so this video don't get so long. So they did send me the 6 pair of contact lens, and they also sent me the case for the contact. And in the little case that come, all the cases for the contact lens, it come with a little here. So on this little case here come with 6 little case for you put your contact lens when you open them, and it comes with one little vial that you actually can put eye drops or contact lens solution, whatever you want. And it comes with a little like a rubber tweezer for you pick up the lens, and a little applicator, which was really nice. So the lens not here because I soaked them overnight, so they are ready for try on this video. So they are right behind me, and I have my mirror right here too. So I'm gonna get them, show you guys, and put them on and show you guys how gorgeous they look. So let's do this. So here we have our first pair here, and this one is Half Moon Alice Green. Ooh, I love a good green contact. So I have my contact here. I have my mirror here, like I told you guys that I'm going to be looking at. I have the contact lens here. Now I'm just going to look on my mirror so I can apply, and I'll show you guys in 1 second. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. Look how gorgeous this green is. This is gorgeous. Definitely, I love the green contacts. They just, you know, having olive skin like I do, they just show so beautiful on my skin. And they are very beautiful too, and they show really good on dark eye, one with and one without. So let me pop the second one in and show you guys how fabulous they look. And they're so comfortable too on the eye. How gorgeous it is, and looks so beautiful, shows so good on the eye. Gorgeous, stunning, love it, love it, so beautiful. Definitely I'm gonna take a very good use of this contact because I love a good green contact, and it's so pretty. So I'm gonna take this one out and we go to the next one. This one is the Half Moon Alice Green. Gorgeous, stunning. Alright, so the next one that we're going to try is going to be the Bronze Sunset. Ooh, can't wait. I bet this is a beautiful, probably brown color. Very beautiful. So this is one with and one without. This is sunset brown. Gorgeous. So let me put another one in and I'll come back with you guys. Stunning, very beautiful, and looks so natural too. Now when you're looking at me, you couldn't tell if this is a contact lens or just a fabulous honey color lens. They are stunning, love them, love them. They're very comfortable wearing too, fits amazing. Yeah, so this last one was sunset bronze. All right, so now let's go to our next one. Ooh, this one's beautiful. This one is Star Dew Purple. Right, so the first one's going in. Stunning. Look at that. So this one is the Star Dew Purple. Look how gorgeous it looks. One with and one without. Look at these lens, how beautiful they are. Gorgeous, love this one. So exotic, so different, but fits so good in the eyes, fit perfect. Just so pretty. So the next one that we're going to try is called Strawberry Pop. So the first one is going in. Look at these beautiful color. Strawberry Pops. So pretty. Love it. One with and one without. So let me put another one in. Oh my god, it's so stunning. I love this one. So gorgeous. I love the dark circle around the eye. It just looks so pretty. Stunning. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't tell you guys how much I love this. Look how beautiful it looks. Love it. Living for this color. Yes, alright, so let's take this one out. This one is a Strawberry Pops. Gorgeous, love it. And let's go to our next one, right? And the next color is called Honey. I don't know if it's Nini or Nine Eyebrow, but I think it's N-I Brow. Honey Nini Brow, I think. It looks gorgeous. I'm gonna tell you guys, it looks amazing. Beautiful, gorgeous color. So let me put the second pair in. Oh, so beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is the Honey Nini Brow. Honey Nini Brow, that's the one. Alright, so last but not least, we have our last one here that we're going to be trying today. And this one is Honey Nini Gray. So this is the Honey Nini Gray. One with and without. One with and one without. Stunning. Alright guys, so this is our last pair. This one is the Honey Nini Gray, and this is beautiful. That's how it looks like. Gorgeous. And this is our last pair. So like I said, I'm going to have the link down below for Anmabeauty. So if you guys decide to give them a try, and the code that you guys can get, I think 15% off, is fashion. I'm gonna put it here when I be editing too. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy all these 6 pair of gorgeous Anmabeauty contact lens. If you guys have any question about them or about the lens, drop in the comment below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thank you. I see you guys next video. Bye.